magmahal? O baka mas mahirap tanggapin na hindi lahat ng pagmamahal ay may patutunguhan? Ang pagmamahal ba ay dapat masaya? Bakit? Sa bawat sagot na hinahanap ko, mas lalo lang akong nilulunod ng tanong. Mas lalo lang akong nalulunod sa tinatawag na pagmamahal. Kung ang pagmamahal ay pag-aalay ng sarili, bakit tila ikaw ang laging nawawalan? Sa huli, sino ba talaga ang magpapasya? Ikaw na susuko? O ang pagmamahal ang kusa ng bibitaw? O baka naman, hindi talaga para sa lahat ang pagmamahal? Para sa iba, panaginip. Pero sa akin, usok ng mapusok na araw.
Gusto mo makilala? Kilala mo? Oo, third year civil engineer yan. Wait lang ha, tawagin ko.
Hey, Nasser, come here!
Hey, what's up?
Hey, what's up? How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, by the way, I want you to meet my friend, Lucy.
Nice meeting you, Lucy.
Nice. Iwan ko muna kayo ha. Punta muna ako sa ibang guest. Bye!
Have a seat. So you live alone? Strange.
Why do you say so?
We do not allow our women to that open.
So parang decoration lang pala.
What did you say?
I'm sorry, I was just thinking aloud. I told myself that you were treating your women like someone ornament or something.
On the contrary, we're able to protect our women more. Iranian women have some more privilege and prestige than other Asian women.
And just what do you mean by that?
I'm sorry. I understand how you feel. You sounded as though we were fighting.
Yeah.
Can I invite you for a date tomorrow?
Oh sure, why not?
Can I call you Rose? 'Cause you're sweet like a flower in bloom. Can I call you Rose? 'Cause your fragrance takes over the room.
Ate? Ilay, pwede mo ba ako tawagan ng taxi kasi may lalakarin ako pagkatapos kong magbihis, ah?
Okay po ate.
Ate, andyan na po yung sasakyan sa baba.
Sige.
Kailan ka po ba uuwi, ate? Paano kung tatawag ang mga magulang mo?
Hindi ko masasabi kung kailan.
Eh, ano sasabihin ko? Sabihin mong nasa trabaho ako, di kaya may importanteng lakad. O, nandun kina Aida. Magdahilan ka na lang yun, ay basta.
Oo, sige ate, sige.
si Nasher yung papuntahin mo sa apartment mo.
Ano? Nakakaloka. Binigyan ko pa ng pag-uusapan ng mga kapitbahay ko. Huwag na.
Sa bagay, hindi mo naman kilala yung neighborhood ni Nasher sa project.
Mas mabuti na yon, walang hassle. Paano kung hindi kami magkatuluyan?
Huwag mong sabihin inihahanda mo na yung sarili mo sa pag-i-split niyo.
Hindi na natin masasabi kung ano ang mangyayari. Alam mo namang dayuhan yung tao, di ba?
Nasser, anong gagawin natin? I'm pregnant.
That's it! Either you want to go with it and be alone, or have it aborted para tuloy ang ligaya, Lucing. Think about it, love.
Bata! Hello! May sagot sa basurahan. Pinasok ito sa plastic at may talon sa liig. Tulong! Tanod! Tanod! Dito po, dito po, dito po. Dito po. Huwag kayong lumapit dito.
Tingnan. Sige.
Pwede mo ba sa akin sabihin kung anong nangyari?
Kanina po, habang nagwali sa po ako, may nakita po akong bata sa basurahan. At yun nga po.
Normal ang ginawa niya.
May nakita ka bang ina?
Wala po. Bata lang po ang aking nakita.
Hindi talaga makakaabot.
Wala ka bang nakitang taong lumabas?
Wala din po.
Naku! Yung ina, walang karumal-dumal na pumati sa bata.
Marahil, puputiro ang bata. Alon-alon ng buhok.
Diyos ko, walang awang ina.
Mabuti pa yung puso may awa, yung ina wala.
Naku! Iba na talaga yung mundo ngayon. Kaya kayo, mag-ingat kayo. Huwag kayong magpapabuntis kung hindi kayo anuhin ng ama. Oh my God. Ay, naku talaga. Tara na! Tara na! Ate, uminom ka muna ng tubig.
What's your answer?
Okay. I'll find your decision.
Lucine. I can kiss you right now. When do you want it done?
Just give a moment's notice.
Don't worry. I will arrange that. Take care now. Pretty soon, our worries are over. I will give you a call as soon as I fix a date for you.
Sagutin ko muna to Sige.
Are you available this afternoon? Come to my house. The operation will take place there. I have already spoken to a doctor. I will see you there.
Hey, sinasher ba kausap mo? Ano sabi?
Hey,
Relax. Relax home.
we are also visitors here.
You may wait at the room, if you please. The doctor will arrive any moment now. Lucine! What do you mean by standing and staring there? Did you not feel alright?
I do not feel alright too!
I told you to wait in the room. The doctor will come any moment now. Don't you understand that?
I don't need any doctor! It's you I need!
I told you to wait in the room. Are you trying my patience?
What's this girl doing here? Huh?
That's none of your business. Stupid! You're embarrassing me.
You better do what he says.
We cannot answer what harm he may do to you.
Nakita mo na ang kawalang hiyaan nila? Kung ako ikaw, iwasan mo na sila. Mga walang hiya!
What are you trying to do? And you? Just what are you Iranians doing here in the Philippines?
You asked why Iranians came here for? Simple. The woman and the beer are cheap. So cheap!
Ganon ha? That's it. For harboring a wrong notion towards us. You'll find that not